start our. You don't view.
Yeah.
View the ambience. View those two men when they go for fun. Let me do Dogu. You don't see them.
Yes.
Carry the camera come my side. Welcome to Cross River State Obudu Ranch. As you can see, this is our haunt apartment. 90k each for a night. We'll never sleep there because it costs. So view the ambience of the place. Let's go. Carry the camera come. Yeah.
Hey, mount.
This is my brother from another mother. Also my brother. View my brother on that side. Very good.
Yeah, my nylon.
We no keep battery. We beautiful for your